Tuwing Sabado, winner ang saya at tawanan sa gabi. Dahil one for all for one ang ating samahan.
Yan natin ang laman ng letrang Aya. Bukya.
Sama-sama with the whole gang ng mga Jagard. Every Saturday, 7:30 p.m. sa FBS.
Aming Ama, maraming salamat at muli mo po kaming binigyan ng isang buong araw upang maging daluyan ng iyong pagpapala at liwanag sa marami. Salamat po sa pribilehiyong umabot at maglingkod sa aming mga kababayan at sa mas marami pang tao sa buong mundo. Patuloy po naming dalangin ang iyong pagsama at pag-iingat nang sa gayon may pagpatuloy po namin ang iyong layunin at maisulong ang iyong kaharian dito sa lupa. Pagpanibaguhin mo po ang aming lakas, kalusugan at sigla sa aming pagsunod sa iyo. Ito po ang aming dalangin sa pangalan ng iyong bugtong anak na si Jesus, ang aming Panginoon at tagapagligtas. Amen.
This is Buena Vista NTV Channel 32, a commercial UHF broadcasting station owned and operated by Disney CEO Broadcasting Network authorized under permit number BSTO 2782010. Issued by the Telecommunication Commute to Republic of the Transfever Vira Unions, to Disney CEO Broadcast Studios, office, and transmitter are located at GMA Group of Networks Broadcast Complex, Commonwealth Avenue, NTGM Quezon City. TZKN-DTV operates 24 hours daily, with non-fair hours every Monday from 4 o'clock to 5:20 a.m. with 241 kilowatt effective radiated power on for 117.737 kilohertz. The operations of Disney CEO is headed by ENGR. Geronimo Jr. PEC number 702. Disney CEO transmission personnel is composed of electronic engineer, electronic technician, and first-class radio, telephone operators, and license issued by the Professional Revolution Commission and the National Telecommunication Committee of the United Fever Vira Unions. Professional electronic engineers, Rico Agustin, BIS number 757. Carlo Dusty Mendoza PEC number 737, Rayan Josh Diaz, PIS number 777. Electronics engineers, Ivan Geronimo East number 78204. Jasmine Hernandez EZ number 899214. Dexter de Guzman EZ number 31777. Emma Joseph EZ number 39190. Zen Costantino ECE number 241,639. Robert K. Blanco EZ number 672,039. Edgardo D. Rosales EZ number 538,819. Joseph Castell EZ number 5396224. Jose de Guzman EZ number 6292887. Tony Hernandez EZ number 512,274. Corinne Velasquez EZ number 289,912. First-class Rio telephone operators and 911 PNC are for 3728. Jennifer F. Armada 79 to 1 PNCR for 229. Joey Velasquez A to 1 PNCR 9 to 471. Julian Jicky 95 to 1 PNCR 7 to 9377. Edgardo V. Velasquez 69 PNCR to 90214. Christian Nanda Guzman 711 PNCR for 9 to 41. All programs tell us on the station have been approved by the Fever Vira Multimedia Content Classification. The GMEA Group Network program are seen nationwide via Disney CEO and affiliate stations. Disney CEO stations, Luzon, Disney CEO DTV3 to Manila, DTV to 7 Nilacos North, DTV 33 Baguio, DTV 10 Tuguegarao, DTV 7 Pampanga, DTV 5 Abra, DTV 15 Batanes, DTV 16 Nao Province, DTV 30 to Calayan, DTV 13 Benguet, DTV 33 Olongapo, DTV to Batangas, DTV 20 to Jalayala Rizal, DTV 18 Occidental Mindoro, DTV 30 to Puerto Princesa Palawan, DTV 20 Brooks Pointed, Palawan, DTV 23 Coron Palawan, DTV 17 Ramblin, DTV 17 Masbate, DTV 43 Nava, DTV 23 Legazpi, DTV 10 Virac, DTV 7 Sorsogon, DTV 5 Det, Approach Stations, Visayas, DTV 23 Calbayao, DTV 16 Barongan, DTV 41 Tacloban, DTV 23 Ormoc, DTV 12 Calibo, DTV for Caniclan, DTV 18 Roxas, DTV 17 Iloilo, DTV 22 Mercy Negros Occidental Mindoro, DTV 7 Antuc Negros Oriental, DTV 30 to Cebu, DTV 10 Pangla, DTV 17 Dumaguete, DTV 20 for Cibale, Mission Stations, Mindanao, DTV 11 Cagayan de Oro, DTV 16 Bukidnon, DTV 5 Dipolog, DTV 9 Ozamis, DTV 23 Pagadian, DTV 35 Iligan, DTV 40 for Butuan, DTV 31 Surigao, DTV 3 Tandag, DTV 27 Davao, DTV 19 Ginsan, DTV 30 to Zamboanga, DTV 17 Cotabato, DTV 20 Julo Sulu. Disney CEO Television Arts, the Fever Union's largest network, now signing off.
Land of the morning, child of the sun returning, with fervor burning, thee do our souls adore. Land dear and holy, cradle of noble heroes, ne'er shall invaders trample thy sacred shores. Ever within the skies and through the clouds and all the hills and seas, do we behold the radiance, feel the throb of glorious liberty. Thy banner dear to all our hearts, its sun and stars alike. Oh, never shall its shining fields redeem thy tyrant's might. Beautiful land of light.